sklearn. Cluster. Affinity propagation. Description: performs affinity propagation clustering. A message passing algorithm that identifies data points as exemplars cluster centers based on similarity and preference values. Inputs: similarity matrix, a square matrix of shape n samples. N samples representing the pairwise similarity between data points. Larger values indicate higher similarity. Common similarity metrics include Euclidean distance, Pearson correlation, or custom kernels. Preferences: a vector of shape n samples, representing the preference for each data point to become an exemplar. Higher values increase the likelihood of a point becoming an exemplar. Can be automatically set to the median similarity. Outputs: cluster labels, an array of shape n samples, indicating the cluster label for each data point. Exemplars have cluster labels equal to their indices. Exemplar indices: an array of indices of the data points chosen as exemplars. Steps: message passing: iteratively update responsibility and availability messages between data points to determine exemplars and cluster assignments. Responsibility re-k measures how suitable data point I is as an exemplar for data point k. Updated based on similarities and availabilities. Availability AI-k measures how suitable data point k is to be assigned to data point I as an exemplar. Updated based on responsibilities and availabilities. Cluster assignment: assign each data point to its closest exemplar based on the final responsibility and availability values. Fine-tune parameters. Damping factor: a value between 0.5 and 1 that reduces the magnitude of message updates to stabilize convergence and avoid oscillations. Typically set to 0.5 or 0.7. Convergence iterations: the maximum number of iterations without change in the number of estimated clusters that stops the convergence. Default is 15. Maximum iterations: the absolute maximum number of iterations allowed. Default is 200. Preferences controls the number of exemplars. Higher preferences lead to fewer exemplars. Can be automatically set to the median similarity. Challenges and fixes. Sensitivity to preferences: the number of clusters and exemplars is highly dependent on preference values. Grid search for optimal preferences: explore different preference values to find the best configuration for the specific dataset. Automatic preference estimation: use heuristics or algorithms to estimate suitable preferences based on data characteristics. Computational cost: affinity propagation can be computationally expensive for large datasets due to the quadratic time complexity. Approximate affinity propagation: use faster but less accurate approximations for large datasets. Early stopping: terminate the algorithm before full convergence if computational resources are limited. Number of clusters: the algorithm determines the number of clusters automatically, but it might not always be the desired number. Preference tuning: adjust preferences to influence the number of clusters. Post-processing techniques: apply techniques like hierarchical clustering or merging small clusters based on similarity.